What shall I do? I'm lost, confused in a world of shadows, feeling bruised. Inside my mind, I'll turn around. No solid step, no common ground. Where do I go? Which road is right? My heart is heavy, my path not bright. Darkness lingers, I need some light, a guiding hand to hold me tight. Answers hide, I cannot see. Will life decide, or is it me? I must take charge, control my mind, or leave my peace and hope behind. Problems press, they try to bind, but I will not let them trap my mind. I press ahead, though tangled still, with strength and will I climb the hill. Valleys low and mountains steep, I must rise up my soul to keep. Freedom waits if I break the chains and let my heart run through the plains. No longer lost, I choose my way, a brighter path, a brand new day. I save my mind, I let it shine and step into a life divine. Proverbs 3 verse 5 to 6 says, Trust in the Lord with all thine heart and lean not into thine own understanding. In all thy ways acknowledge him and he shall direct thy path. So when the path feels dark and unclear, hold on to faith, cast away the fear. Trust in his plan, let your heart be true, for God will guide your steps. He'll show you what to do.